And hello everyone, this is the Highlight Football League. Today, Sunday football, good matchup. Red Hornets going up against the Saints. Both teams are looking for a win. And so I'm Kendricks, I'm your host, at least for the next 2 quarters, bringing it to you. So they're out here, and earlier, basically, this is what it looked like. The snow was coming down, and it was a mess. And so that's what they're playing in. And so even right now, there's some snow still falling here in the Big Apple. There's still snow coming down, but the game will proceed. I'm Kendricks, and the Red Hornets will get the ball, and we'll be back with the game. Thank you, subscribers, as we continue to grow. Appreciate your support. Continue to write. Continue to tell your friends about the Highlight Football League. In the meantime, we'll take a break and come right back with the Hornets ball at the 25-yard line. We'll be right back. Beautiful snowy day.